the late 1960s, the TTC's second-generation trolleybus fleet approached a crossroads. These electric trolleybuses, built by Canadian Car Foundry and by Marmon Harrington, were entering their third decade of service. The equipment was wearing out, and the time was approaching for the TTC to either rebuild or replace these vehicles. Over those decades, the design of the transit bus had advanced, and the late 40s style design of the trolleybuses looked increasingly dated compared to the rest of the TTC's surface vehicles. At the same time, many of the components of these vehicles were still operating well and needed only a refresh. What was the TTC to do? Bus maker Western Flyer offered a solution. Take the internal components of these old trolleybuses and reuse them within a new trolleybus body. Old Canadian Car Foundry trolleybus number 9020 was shipped to Winnipeg to be rebuilt as a new bus 9020. Mechanically, Western Flyer bus 9020 was a retuned 20-year-old vehicle, but its body was updated to match the Western Flyer D700 models of the period. It even included some features that weren't used in future vehicles, such as curved front windshields. The TTC tested rebuilt Trolleybus 9020 for a year and was pleased with the results. When a competing trolleybus maker failed to complete their prototype rebuild, Western Flyer was given the contract to rebuild the whole fleet. Bus 9020 returned to Winnipeg for some additional fixes and was renumbered 9200. It, with the rest of the fleet, would operate until the abandonment of trolleybus service in Toronto in 1992. Thank you for watching this video, and thanks to all who helped make it happen. In the coming weeks, look for future videos from Richard Glaze's collection on this channel as we go through the additional 100 minutes your contributions help digitize. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and feel free to visit us on our Facebook page or follow us on Mastodon. Also, be sure to check out the hundreds of articles and thousands of photographs of transit in the Greater Toronto Area on our main website. You can find links down below. Thank you for your time and attention, and join us next time as we explore more Toronto area transit.